Hey there, it's Steve
And Connor.
from Serious Keto. Connor is back from the army. He's got a bit of a cold. Are you going to be able to taste all right?
We'll see.
All right. So today we are trying out some cookie bites from ChipMonk Baking. Now, did you when they sent me those other cookies? Did you ever taste those?
I wasn't here for that.
Okay. Their peanut butter cookie is the best peanut butter cookie I've ever tasted, keto or not.
Okay.
Also, unlike a lot of the keto cookies, these do not contain erythritol.
That's good.
Yes, so none of that cooling effect. You looked at the ingredients before. What did you think?
Keto or not, it looks pretty good. There's monk fruit sweetener and allulose sweetener, and both of those are natural sweeteners. So,
So no alcohol, sugars, the ingredients clean across the board. There's none of those sketchy ingredients you can
Yep.
see sometimes. Now, in terms of carbohydrates, if you're counting total carbs, these might be a little bit high because it looks like we're talking 9 grams, pretty much 10 grams.
yeah, 6 to 8 grams of, total carbs, yeah. Yeah.
9 to 10 total carbs per cookie bite, but in each instance, 1 gram of net carbs because you've got a lot of fiber and then you've got the allulose, which does not count towards net carbs. First, do you know the story behind ChipMonk Baking at all?
I don't.
Okay, so it's two guys, David and Jose. Jose was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, loves to cook, loves to bake, has a sweet tooth, and thus this was born. So
Okay.
it was born really out of necessity. So good story behind those guys. You can read about it if you go out onto their website, which I will link to down below in the description. Why don't we start off? I think the one I'm going to dislike most.
Birthday cake.
Birthday cake.
Yeah.
So the bites themselves they're thick, but I'm thinking maybe we cut each one in half.
That'll work.
All right.
They look like the little muffin bites, the non-keto variety.
Very moist.
I mean, it tastes exactly like birthday cake.
Pretty much.
If you like birthday cake, it just tastes like cake. Like not birthday cake flavor, just normal cake, which if you like, you'll love these.
I'm not a big birthday cake fan.
I don't like cake,
So
but they're still not horrible.
yeah, I think you nailed it. If you like birthday cake, you're going to like these. I don't like birthday
And
cake.
even if you don't like cake, they're still good.
Yeah, a little sweet for me.
Yeah.
Next up, toasted coconut.
They taste exactly like coconut. They're exactly what the flavor says they should be, just like the birthday cake ones.
I could have gone for a little more toastiness, honestly. I like if I'm gonna have coconut and it says toasted coconut, I want it to have some of that almost
Yeah.
browning sort of taste to it.
It's not as sweet as a birthday cake.
No, definitely not. And I think something like this, if they were to throw, a little bit of chocolate chip or something into it, it
Yeah.
could taste an awful lot like a Mounds bar.
Or almond joy.
Yeah.
Same thing.
Well, except with the
One
almond.
is an almond.
But I think this is almond
It is
flour.
almond flour,
So yeah,
so.
essentially almond joy.
Yeah.
White chocolate macadamia. I'm kind of excited about this one. Now we're really getting into the flavors I dig, which is a double-edged sword because my expectations are going to be higher. The taste reminds me of marshmallow a little bit.
This is my least favorite cookie we've had so far.
Really? Why is that?
I don't taste any chocolate. It's just kind of a weird sweetness.
Oh, it's white chocolate.
Yeah,
Okay.
but I still just... It's kind of just a weird sweetness that you would think would be... It kind of resembles a birthday cake sweetness, but it's just not right to me.
You're not digging it?
No.
One of the things Courtney and I found when we were trying out some white chocolate chips in one of our reviews, which I'll link to right up here, is that none of the white chocolate chips we tried really tasted right to us.
Yeah.
It didn't have that sort of mouth coating aspect to it. It tasted a lot more like marshmallow to me, which maybe what that means is a potential cookie, because David asked for feedback from me. maybe you're able to do some sort of a s'mores type of a cookie. If you can emulate the graham cracker, you've already got something that tastes sort of marshmallowy. Then you just add chocolate, boom, s'mores.
Yeah, to me, the gold standard of the white chocolate macadamia nut cookie is the, what is it called? Pepperidge Farms one.
Yeah, I forget the name of it. It's not the Sausalito.
Yeah, I'm not sure what they call it, but
Yeah, that's
the best one, in my opinion, and this doesn't taste anything like that.
no. Now, chocolate chip pecan.
So it does have noticeable chocolate chips in it.
Yes, they're small.
But noticeable. So I don't like dark chocolate. The chocolate chips in here taste very dark chocolatey. It doesn't taste like a Chips Ahoy. So I'm not a big fan of it, but I don't like dark chocolate.
Now, one thing that I found across all of these that I like is they're very moist.
Yeah, the texture of all these is very good.
It's just really pleasing.
Yes.
There's something to me about these chocolate chip pecan cookies that tastes almost a little bit like banana extract. I don't know if you got any of that.
No.
I felt
No.
like there was almost a mild banana sort of flavor to it. I've talked to David about the chips that they use and told him, I'm not especially in love with their chocolate chips. They're not bad, but they're not awesome. And I don't know if they can do better, if they can get bigger chips. I enjoyed it, but I didn't super duper love it.
Yeah. Again, I don't like dark chocolate. It tasted very dark chocolatey.
All right. This is where the rubber meets the road. Peanut butter cookies. If you screw up a peanut butter cookie, you shouldn't be making cookies. Instantly love it. So how does it compare to any other peanut butter cookie you've had?
I would say it's one of the better ones. It doesn't have that weird mouthfeel that some peanut butter cookies has.
Yeah.
Just has peanut butter flavor, and then
If someone didn't tell you
satisfied.
that pardon me?
You're left satisfied. You don't have that weird, I don't know how to describe it, but it's in some peanut butter cookies.
So if no one told you that these were keto, would you know that these were?
No, it tastes like a peanut butter cookie.
It's a solid peanut butter cookie. Now, it's probably worth noting that none of these are like your favorite flavors of cookies.
Yeah, not at all.
I
like sugar cookies, snickerdoodles, M&M cookies, and then just like straight up milk chocolate chip cookies.
So, since none of these fell into your sort of wheelhouse, what would you say is your top one or two favorite?
So if I were to rank them, I would probably say the birthday cake and peanut butter are the best ones.
Okay.
In my opinion. Toasted coconut is kind of in the middle. I wish it was a little sweeter. And the two chocolate ones are at the bottom end.
Yeah, for me, number one is absolutely the peanut butter. It's interesting. I'm kind of torn on the birthday cake because I think they nail it. They nail the birthday cake on that. It's just they happen to nail a flavor that I don't love. I enjoyed the coconut. I wish it was a little more toasty.
Yep.
And then the white chocolate macadamia, if they just, like I said, that I think that is a great jumping off point for them to maybe make some sort of a s'mores cookie. And the chocolate chip pecan, something about that just wasn't entirely right for me.
Yeah, both the chocolate ones weren't there for me.
Compared to any of the other brands of cookies that I've had, keto cookies, I still consider all of these infinitely better. So many of those other brands use erythritol. They're dry, they're crumbly. I don't enjoy the mouthfeel. I don't enjoy the cooling effect. And I get none of that stuff that I don't enjoy out of these.
I agree. As a non-keto person, these seem to be the best baked goods, both in terms of ingredients and taste and texture.
Yep. So I tell you what, I am going to put a link down below where you can buy these cookies, actually any product you want from ChipMonk Baking, and a 15% off coupon code for any first-time buyer. I'm not an affiliate marketing partner with ChipMonk, so I get no commission, nothing like that. I love these two guys, David and Jose. I love their story, and I want to help them out however I can. So take a look at their website, see what you think. That's it.
All right.
Thanks for watching.